Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Rainbow token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space into the future, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and farther into the future. Anyhow, to get started here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallet. And then once we get into our Trust Wallets here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to purchase BNB or transfer BNB, also how to not create your wallet. So if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below, so you guys will be able to learn that and then come back to this video. Another thing I would like to point out as well is that you do have to have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet. So if you have your BNB just in a normal wallet right here that says BNB, you want to click on that. Click on swap, and then you have an option here at the bottom that says swap to smart chain. You're going to want to make sure you have it in your smart chain wallet, or else it will not show the balance inside of your PancakeSwap. So it's very important that you have that in that wallet. Otherwise, once you have that in here and you're ready to go with your BNB in your smart chain wallet, all we have to do is get the contract address for the token and add it into our Trust Wallets. So I'll have a link in the description and in the comment section down below for CoinMarketCap, where we're going to get the contract address and then bring it right back into our Trust Wallets. So you guys should just go ahead and click on that link, and then I'll show you what to do next. And once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, you just want to go down to where you see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see two little squares. Go ahead and click on those two little squares to copy the address. Once you have that done there, you can then exit out of here, right back into your Trust Wallet. Now all we have to do is go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then just go to the top search and paste in that contract address. Now, once you have that here, you'll see the token. So we're just going to go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. Once you have the token added in here, we're now ready to go ahead to swap the BNB for the token. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description and the comment section down below. So you guys can just head over to PancakeSwap, and then I'll show you what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, the first thing you want to do is connect your wallet. So you just want to go to the top of the screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. You can then go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. Then you'll see a bunch of different wallets that you guys can use here. So you can use any one of these that you would like. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. We'll then have to wait for a connection screen to pop up. So we'll just give this a couple moments, and then I'll show you guys what to do. Once this connection screen pops up, you can just go down to the bottom where you see the Connect button and click on Connect. We can then head back into our PancakeSwap. And once we're back into our PancakeSwap here, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see the wallet icon on top of right of our screen, as well as the balance of BNB right beside BNB right here. Now all we have to do is add the new token in. So we're just going to click on where it says cake on that little down arrow there. It's then going to let us add an address, and it's going to be the same address that we got from CoinMarketCap. So we're just going to go into here and paste in that address. Once we have that, we'll see the Rainbow token. So we just click on import, I understand, and then import. Now, once we have both tokens in here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. So if we just go beside swap, where you see the little settings gear, you just want to go ahead and click on that. And then down under swaps and liquidity, you'll see slippage tolerance. Now for this token, I'd probably start off with 12%. You guys can try lower or higher. It totally depends on the liquidity at the time you're watching this video, and it's always changing. So you're going to want to try a couple different numbers. I'd recommend starting off with 12. And then once you have that in here, you can then exit out of here. And now you have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, it was going to do 1 BNB. You can go ahead and type that in, and then it'll show you the amount of the Rainbow token you're going to get in exchange for your BNB. Now, if you're happy and comfortable with what you see here, you can go ahead down to where it says insufficient BNB balance. For you guys, it's going to say swap. For me, it just says insufficient balance because I don't have any BNB currently. But once you see swap there, you can go ahead and click on swap. It's then going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees that are involved, as well as your slippage tolerance and expected amount that you're going to receive. So just make sure you guys read that and you understand that before you go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you click on swap one more time, it's going to give you another screen inside of your Trust Wallet, just asking you to confirm the transaction. So you can go ahead and read that if you would like to, and then click on confirm there as well. Once you do that, you'll then get a check mark inside of your PancakeSwap here, and then we can head right back into our Trust Wallet, and the token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the Rainbow token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.